We're gonna look at a vinyl wrap project today that's happening as we speak. A red Tesla Model S getting wrapped in this satin red chrome vinyl wrap color. We're gonna take a look at it right now. Pow! 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 Wow.
You forgot about me, Haywood.
I sure did. This is the color that we're going with. It's a satin chrome red. The car is already red, but it's not like this. A good portion of the car is done, but you can see factory red, vinyl wrap red. Most of it done on this side. Oh, look at how it looks in the quarters. The light hits the bylines on the doors and the quarter. It looks really good. Normally, I like to show a wrap project from start to finish, but we couldn't do that. So it's kind of like in the middle, but I figured the color is really cool. And there's gotta be someone out there with a Tesla that's interested in this color. So I figured we should put this on our channel. That way, in case anyone is interested, they at least now have a visual reference of what it will look like on a Model S. Are you doing a comb delete too?
Yep, everything.
Oh, so this is not over yet.
Nope.
So if you were a serial killer,
Mm-hmm.
well, what would be your name? What would you want to be known as? And how would you victims? Ours would be the pubic hair strangler.
I don't know. I'd probably find like a swamp or something, and then cover them in like sugar, so that insects can go like into the body, but they can't move, so that they die over like the course of like a month from like insects like eating them and ants biting them and just like things crawling into their like holds and whatnot. Probably what I would do, but what do I know?
What would your name be?
I have commitment issues, so I'd probably just go by Alan to just save myself the headache. So there's this place called the Killing Fields, which is where they like find bodies, and the reason they dump bodies there is because it's quick decomposition. You could see I-45, but if you yelled, no one would necessarily hear you, and if you ran, there wouldn't necessarily be anywhere to go. Infestation of like insects, mosquitoes, and ants. It seems like a good place to do things, and that's probably the way I would do it. And what do I know?
That's part of the way I would do it.
I just work here. There's nobody out there for miles. Quick decomposition. It's fucking 10 out of 10. It's great. Perfect spot. Haywood, say something.
Anyway, here's the car. I'm gonna say off the bat that the video does not do this color justice. Even as good as it looks on camera as we're walking around the car, it just doesn't do it justice at all. The color is crazy in person. It has such a nice subdued glow to the finish, being that satin. It hits all the body lines just right, and honestly, I think it looks even better than Tesla's Ultra Red, which is their new paint job. I think it's like $3,000 or something. And it looks better than their normal red. So, especially if you're going for something sporty, like on a plaid, this color beats both those colors, hands down, no questions asked. And combined with the satin black that we did on the window trims and on the badges, the whole car is satin and it looks really cool. We did leave the Tesla letters in the back of the trim gloss black just for a little bit of a hint of an accent piece, but everything is satin and it looks amazing. It's perfection. Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. Hopefully you liked the wrap project. Hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We got more wrap projects coming up, so stick around for those. We see you next time.
Should I just not say dumb shit? Because I never know when you're recording.
No, you should always say dumb shit.
Think so?
Yeah.